Hi guys, it's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a body weight Russian twist. So to start, you're going to have a seat on the ground, you're going to bend your knees, and then you're going to plant your heels on the ground. Your toes are going to be up. So your back and core, you want to squeeze nice and tight, and then you're going to hinge backwards. Just before you're about to fall over, you're going to clasp your hands together, squeezing your abs tight to give you balance, and then you're going to lean from side to side, crunching those obliques. Another variation of the Russian twist, you can also feel free to put your ankles one on top of the other and then lift your ankles up about 4 inches off the ground. Same thing, back straight, core tight. You're going to lean backwards and then twist from side to side. And that is a Russian twist.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!